Here we go. This is Wakala at Bellewaerde and it's raining.
Yes.
I'm gonna have my poncho. It's not gonna work when we ride though, but gonna blow off. This is a family coaster, which looks very, very nice.
Yeah.
Really like the looks of this.
Gonna be exciting.
Here we go, guys. Are you ready? Wakala. Yeah, wow. Oh, this is such a nice coaster. And look at the spike over there. Wow. Oh, this is a great coaster. Sorry for the poncho blowing up there. Oh, it's a fast little coaster.
Somebody with the rain in your face.
It's raining, but this is one great little coaster. And a little launch lift hill there. And I think we go up the spike here. Soon I will go backwards. Wow! Oh, that is... Wow! Oh, that is so nice. That's how you do a family coaster.
That's nice.
Wow! That was fantastic.
Yeah.
Really enjoyable coaster. I also like the theming with the station house here. It's really pretty. That was fun.
That was nice.
That was a lot of fun.
Coaster stop.